Yeah, the construction of the penthouse has commenced in earnest. So you can see that these are the work that we've been able to do today. All these areas we have done. You can see the extent of work done so far. Like tomorrow we hope to be here to see if we can complete this penthouse and other area that needs to be worked upon. So let's see what we can do. So far so good. These are the extent of work done till today. You can see workers are in sight. They are all busy. It's about 6:28 p.m. We're almost rounding up for the day. Almost rounding up for the day. And the other side, see that the boarding for the pouring of concrete on the pillars, that is on the foundation, is still in progress. You can see. Say hello to the camera. I can say hello to the camera now. Hello. That is one for. Hello. That's the correct guy. He's working, yes. Busy working. Yes, you can see the work done. You can see how neat the work is. Very good and perfect job. I'm impressed with the work that he's doing here. He's doing a good job. Very neat work. You can see how the planks are lapped to the blocks. Everything is in progress. We are making progress. Then I'm moving to the other side that they've started filling. You can see that the other one's filling has commenced. You can see that they've already started filling this into the foundation level. Okay, finally the soccer way is done.